Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we learn 2D shapes. Kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use yellow color. Yellow color. It's neither pentagon, the shape of pentagon, and use red color, the shape of pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Kids, neither square, the shape of square, and use blue color, the shape of square. The shape of square. Kids, neither triangle, the shape of triangle, and use green color, Kids, neither circle, the shape of circle, and use black color, the shape of circle. The shape of circle. Kids, let's read a trapezium. the shape of trapezium and use white color, the shape of trapezium. Kids, today draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle and trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.